There is also the administration of the Judiciary Act 2020, which will be handed over to the acting Chief Justice.
Lord, Acting Chief Justice, and every one of us present here, it is with a deep sense of fulfillment that I formally hand over the office of Chief Justice of Uganda. This is just a formal handover. The law has taken its course. Sunday the 18th, January 2026, marked my 70th year on earth, hence the constitutional requirement for retirement from judicial service and the office of Chief Justice. The consequential function we are witnessing today gives effect to this reality, and I submit thereto with a clear conscience. So, I'm leaving, but the judiciary is my other family. For me, whether you accept me or you don't accept me, this is my home. I'm not going to apply to be a member. I'm already a permanent member. Actually, I hope I will be an indispensable member of the judiciary. I thank you all. I wish the judiciary continued strength, independence, and wisdom in the service of our nation.
Download the app on App Store or Google Play Store now. Vision Digital Experience, the future of media.